Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you where to find the save game files and config files for Construction Simulator on Windows PC, specifically for Game Pass users. First, open File Explorer and go to C Drive, Users, your username, AppData, Local, Packages. In the Packages folder, find and open the Construction Simulator 2 folder, then open System App Data, WGS. After that, you need to open 2 more folders. Inside those folders, you will find your save game files. To access the config file, open Registry Editor from the Windows search bar. Expand HKey Current User, Software, Welton Bauer-SE, Construction Simulator. These are your config settings, which you can edit if needed. That's it. Now you know where to find both your save games and config files for Construction Simulator on PC. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe!